Hey and welcome to this video. So in this video we're gonna add in the WYSWIG Editor, which is what you see is what you get. First of all, what we need to add in is our style, which will just be the snow theme in this case. Then we're gonna add in our script, which will be put inside here, bottom of this page. So it only will load the script in case that you're actually having the WYSWIG Editor. This will save in some windowing time if you gotta add it into every page. That would not be necessary for this case. So beside that, what we're gonna do is we are gonna go in here and we are gonna create two divs. We're gonna create one div actually with the ID of editor, which then will be selected from this one. This will then make it into what you see, what you get editor. And then we're gonna change the button a bit here. So we're gonna add in a class of BDM primary, MT3, and then we're gonna add in a style of height of 300 pixels because it's not tall enough. So now if we go in here to our new post page and refresh it, what you see is here is we have a what you see is what you get editor. So if I write hello world and then I can go in here and highlight it. So there's one thing we need to change as well, and that is we need to remove the defer from here, which will cause an error in accessing this code. So by removing the defer, it will load it in as the first thing on the page, and it will then fix this issue. So now if we go in here, we can add this into a heading, and we have the button here, which is now styled instead of having the old one. And the reason why we want this is so we can create headings, bold text, underscores, and all of that for our blog post, which will make the blog page more like a blog. So thank you very much for watching this video.